I am using this scraper tool to scrape the data from map. It is already available, so I am using this. Let's move to Google Map. Now I will go to extension. See here, it will give my instant data scraper or yes, map scraper and lead generator. I have to open Bing. Okay, let it be. Let open Bing map. Just search doctors. It will automatically appear everything. After searching doctor, see, it's showing some issue. Doctors in India. Let's see. Yes, it is coming. Let's use here. Where is the map? Yes, here is the map. Let's use another tool, that is instant data scraper. Just see how it will scroll data. Start scrolling. See how it is working. See, this is the power of data scraper. Everything it will scrape. That's why I'm telling you, download or add this extension which is known as data scraper. See, going on, it will analyze up to 20. See how much I have given, minimum 1 and maximum 20. After 20 it will stop. Working time is 54 seconds. Row from last pages 123. See, collected. Okay, the table not changed if the okay. See, downloaded. Just click here, move to my Google Docs. Here, see, every data will come. See, just paste it here. See how beautifully it created. Okay, we found some problem. Do you want to recover? Yes. Let's check. Yes, see, this is my data. Everything it can. Let close it. Close it. This is the. I do not need there. This. I will right click. I will activate enable editing. My data came. So now I will delete this. I don't need this. I have to cut it. This is the name I'm thinking. This is the name. This is the hospital, their name. It is their situation, where they situated. Open, closes when. This is main. Their number I should. Their website. This is their website. Let me check. Again, nothing needed. So see, the main important column is this. Their number. See, this is their number, and see how much they do not have their website also. Just I will contact them. Just I am contacting them and coming in the next part. For that, this is the WhatsApp message I will use to pitch the client. So see how I am pitching the client. 12, see, here is my potential client. Just 12A, control, no need of nothing. Hi, Dr. G, bus. Then send. So this process you have to do continue for, see, this number, Control A, Control C. Again move to here, check here, 12B, see. Here, again you move to their message, Control C. Then again, only have to cut the name. Right on, hi, Dr. G. See how beautifully just copy paste. Again nothing. I am sending these 10 messages, then I am coming. For that, you remain tuned. So these are my top 10. These are my top 10 client, those who I have messaged. So let's wait for their reply. After they reply, then we will make them website and we will send to them. If they agree, then we will work on them. How I will work on them, I will tell you in the next video. For that, I am going by. Don't forget to subscribe and like. For that, bye.